Hi children, good morning. Welcome to our online maths class. Today we are going to learn a new block 5. Okay, and the block 5 is about adding 3-digit numbers. Okay, and in our last block we learned adding 2-digit numbers. How many methods we learned? Expanded form and column method. Here also expanded form and column method is there, and first we are going to discuss adding the 3-digit numbers using expanded form. We know what is expanded form of a number. We studied the expanded form of 4-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 2-digit numbers, etc. Okay, and how to add to 2-digit numbers using an expanded form, that also we learnt before. Okay, consider one example. 41 plus 19. Using an expanded form, we can 49 plus 19. How to do the expanded form? 41 is equal to 40 plus 1 and 19 is equal to 10 plus 9. This we learned before in our last block. Adding 2-digit numbers to using an expanded form. Then add these two numbers. Okay, then what is first we have to start from ones. What is 9 plus 1? 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 we know that 10 is 10 plus zeros. This is a 2-digit number, so its place is not there. It should regroup it into here. That also we learnt in our last block. And that 10 is added to here. Then 10 plus 4 is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. Okay. So this is answer is 60 plus 0. 60 plus 0 is equal to 60. In standard form when we write, we got the answer as 60. Then children, what do you understand from this? Here we regrouped 10 ones. 10 ones as 1 10. 10 ones is equal to 1 10. You write this in a box in your notebook. 10 ones are equal to 110. 10 ones is this, and this 10 I regrouped it into here as 110 and I got the answer as 60. Right? Okay, so let us consider how to do the addition of 3-digit numbers using expanded form. Sometimes the regrouping comes, regrouping 2 times sometimes comes, that is regrouping of ones and regrouping of tens also come. Okay, let us discuss about it. Okay, all of you are ready? Okay. Question number 1. First we can discuss one question. 253 plus 524. What is the first step? We have to write the expanded form of this 3-digit number and also this 3-digit number. 253 is equal to 200 plus 50 plus 3. Okay, write the expanded form of both the numbers and write the hundreds tens and ones as per their place. Expanded form, you should write both the expanded form of both the numbers. You have to write one below the other as per their place. So 524 is equal to 500 plus 20 plus 4. Right. Then next we have to add both these numbers. From where we have to start? From where we have to start? We have to start from ones. This is a 3-digit number. It has hundreds, tens and ones. And when we are adding the two numbers, we should start from ones, not from here. We should start from our right side. So 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So any regrouping comes there? No. Then 50 plus 20. What is 5 plus 2? It is 7 and 0. 70. 50 plus 20 is 70. Then we have to add the hundreds. Then 200 plus 500 is 700. This the answer. We got it in an expanded form. We have to convert that it into standard form. So what is that? 777. This we learned before how to convert an expanded form into standard form and standard form to expanded form, that we learned in our first block. So 700 plus 70 plus 7, that the number is 777. This is so easy because there is no regrouping comes. Then we can consider one example and we can check is there any regrouping comes. Okay. Question number 2. 253 plus 167. 253 plus 167. What is the first step? Write the expanded form of both the numbers. So 253 equal to 200 plus 50 plus 3. Right. Then 167 equal to 100 plus 60 plus 7. We have to write the expanded form of both of the numbers as per their place. One above the other as per their place. That is 200. You should write the 100 just below the 200. Don't write the 100 here, 60 here. Don't do so. Arrange it like this. Hundreds are here and tens are writing above and below like that. Like this ones are. Okay. The next step is add these two numbers and add the numbers from where we have to start. We should start from ones. Okay. What are the ones here? It is 7 and 3. What is 7 plus 3? 7 plus 3 is 10. So children, here ones is there, but in ones place 10 comes up. It's a 2-digit number. So its place is not there. We have to regroup it into here. To here. So we know that 10 is equal to 10 plus 0. So I am going to regroup this 10 to here. Plus 10 is here. Okay. And only 0 is here. Okay. Only 0 remains here. And this 10 I regrouped it into here. Then we can add the 10s next. 10 plus 50 is what? 60. Then what is 60 plus 60? What is 6 plus 6? It is 12. So 120 we get. 60 plus 60 is 120. Check here children, check the answer. It's a 3-digit number. In tens place only 2 digits will come. So we have to expand the 120 as 100 plus 20. And we have to regroup this 100 into this 100 to here. We should regroup the hundreds to here and add plus 100 here. Understood? Then 100 plus 200 is 300. 300 plus 100 is 400. So what is the expanded form? What is the answer? 400 plus. Here is any 100? No, it is regrouped it into here. So only 20 remains here. 20 plus. What is in the ones place? It's no 10 is here. 10 is regrouped it into here. Only 0 remains. So 0. Our answer is 420. Understood? Children, I will show you some 100 rupees notes is with me. 100 rupees notes. This is 110 rupee. Next 10 rupee, 2 tens are here. What is the amount now? 20 rupees. 20. Then next is one more. So 30. 3 tens are here. So 30 rupees. The next one more 10. So 40 rupees. Okay. Then 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So 10 tens are in my hands. The total amount is what? 100 rupees. Like that we can write it here as 10 tens is equal to 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 tens is equal to 100. So in this problem, 2 regrouping comes. What are the regrouping? Regrouping of the ones and regrouping of this 10 is regrouped it into here, and here also one regrouping comes. Okay, and every time regroup comes? No, sometimes only, that is in the ones place if there are 2 digits come on addition, we got 2 digits, then we have to split that number it into expanded form and regroup it into tens place. And if we are adding these and in hundreds place we got 3 digit numbers, then we have to expand that number, and that 100 we have to regroup it into here, into hundreds place. Its place is not there, it's here. It is regrouped it into here. Understood the regrouping? Okay, then let us discuss one story problem from your content book, one practice problem. This all you write in your notebook, children. Okay. Write 10 ones is equal to 110 in a box and 10 tens is equal to 100. These two you should write in your notebook and put a box like this. Okay. We can discuss one story problem. Question number 3. Shreya has rupees 284. Okay. Next, Disha has rupees 172. 172. How much money how much money do they have in all? How much money do they have in all? In all or total is asked, we have to add both the numbers, and this is a 3-digit number. These two are 3-digit numbers. We learnt only the expanded form method, so we have to use that method. Before that, we have to write the steps of this story problem. Shreya has is equal to 284. Next, Disha has equal to rupees 172. Then total amount, total is equal to 284 plus 172. We can do the calculation here on the right side. 284 is equal to 200 plus 80 plus 4. Okay. 200 plus 80 plus 4. Then 172 equal to 100 plus 70 plus 2. What is the next step? We have to add starting from ones. What is 4 plus 2? It is 6. Okay. Then what is 80 plus 70? You do 8 plus 7. What is 8 plus 7? It is 15. So, we get the answer 150. So, children, this 3-digit number came here. So, what we have to do? We should expand it into 100 plus 50. 150 equal to 100 plus 50. Then what we have to do? This 100, we should regroup it into here. Okay. Then add it here plus 100. Here what remains? Only 50. So 100 plus 200 is 300. 300 plus 100 is 400. So the expanded form we got is 400 plus, here no 100, here only 50. 50 plus 6 is here, that is equal to 456. Okay, our answer. So the total amount is 456. Understood? Okay. Then children, the expanded form method, it's time consuming, because first we have to expand the number, then we have to add the number, regroup. If it is 100 comes here, then we have to regroup. So it's a time consuming, it's not faster. So we have another method, that is simpler and a faster method. What is that? That is column method. About column method, how to add 2 3-digit numbers using a column method, that we can discuss in our next class. Okay. And this, but you should study, you should learn the expanded form, but which method is easy for you, that you can follow. Which way is faster, which is simpler, that you can follow. Some of you have the expanded form is easy, so you can follow this method. Okay, but usually we are following the column method. So we can discuss the workbook now. Take the workbook, page the S1, page number 22. Okay, take your workbook, children. Then adding using expanded form, take the expanded form of 565. So easy. How to write the expanded form of 565? Is it 5 plus 6 plus 5? No. So put a cross mark and you find out where we have to do the tick mark. Okay. Next, expand the numbers and add them. 261 plus 137. So children, its expanded form is given there. So first we have to start to add the ones. So 7 plus 1 is what, children? It is 8. So is there any regrouping comes? No. 8 remains as 8 itself. Then next is 60 plus 30. That's equal to 90. So is there any regrouping comes? No. So 90 remains as 90, and then you have to add the hundreds and write it in your standard form. The next one that you have to fill 483 and 426, write the expanded form and add the ones. So 6 plus 3, there is no regrouping. But I think in the tens place there is a regrouping comes, that you have to do it alone. Okay. Next is a story problem. So you have to write its steps. 255 men and 124 women are watching a show at the circus. How many people are watching the circus? That's the question. So we have to find out the total number of people watching the circus. So you have to add 255 plus 124. Using expanded form, it is asked to do the addition using expanded form. So you follow that method, and 255 plus 124, write the expanded form of 255. It is 200 plus 50 plus 5, and 124 is 100 plus 20 plus 4. So easy, you can do it your own. So children, let's wind up today's class. In our next class, we can learn a simpler and faster method of addition. Okay, bye.